What's your name and your title?
Name and title,
Yeah.
okay. My name is Rusty Knight. I'm the electrical maintenance supervisor here at Riot in Corsicana. Typical day for the electricians is we come down to the plant. We kind of see what went wrong over the night during the evening times. After that, we go to our selective electrical equipment and we start our troubleshooting sequences. So we start at the source, we start at the switchgear, and we kind of navigate our way backwards towards the PDUs. Once we figure out if everything's resolved, we bring it back up to commissioning, and then after that, we restore power to the miners. The more difficult aspects would be the troubleshooting scenarios. In Texas, we're not light on heat, so when it comes to heat, it could be a varying situation. It could be at our switchgear, it could be at the PDU, it could be both. So therefore, trying to isolate something that has two problems can be tricky at times, but we find a way to navigate. I really like being here at Riot. You know, the community they've crafted is very professional. Brings on a lot of good people, brings out the best in a lot of the electricians. A lot of electricians don't have a lot of experience working with Bitcoin mining. So when they come out here, they really get to expand their knowledge, and then it gets to expand the team and how we operate. When it comes down to the hard work down here, there's not very many light things that we have to deal with. A lot of these PDUs weigh up or more of 50 to 70 pounds. We have to manually lift all of these up there when we troubleshoot them or when we replace them. When it comes down to that, it requires multiple people sitting in these hot buildings, lifting them up, setting them in place, making sure that they're up there securely, the way they don't fall on anybody else or damage a miner. So when that happens, it requires a lot of sweat and tears to get it up there, but all in all, it's what needs to be done. The culture right here, it's one of ownership. It's one of really professionalism over everything. At the end of the day, you treat people the way you want to be treated, the way you'd like to see yourself treated. You treat the people around you the way that they would want to be treated as well. Everything here is respect given is respect earned. One piece of advice I'd give to the electricians out here is that this is all brand new systems. Everybody's learning day in, day out. So when it comes to being an electrician here, I have some experience, know a little bit about what's going on, and always be hungry for more information. Always be hungry to figure out how things are working, how power is feeding, where it's coming from, where it's going. So for any new electricians looking to work at Riot, we're looking for people that are going to be high achievers later on down the line, that want to learn how these systems work, that want to figure out how troubleshooting these systems work, that want to expand their knowledge in their electrical field, whether that be from the substation to high voltage transformers to these PDUs. A lot of this stuff is going to be in our future. A lot of this stuff is going to be changing the electricity that we work on day in and day out. Therefore, we need to get in here and we need to execute really on what this new stuff is. The new technology is what drives our field.